What you got there, dude? Well, it doesn't have any thumbs, so it can't snap. So much for very lazy. He's scooting, isn't he? I don't think he's listening. He was out there under the War Eagle. Put him over there, chicken. Dirt.